Hello students, I am Purushottam Vishwakarma and I welcome you to my channel Easy English with PSB, where you can find the solution of all your questions. Today I am going to give you the question paper pattern of English core, the code 301 for class 12th session 2021. You must know, for the session 2021, CBSE has reduced the syllabus by 30%. And not only that, a new pattern has been issued. So, what is that pattern? We are going to discuss in this video. Stay with me. Let's see. तो इस वीडियो में हम क्या जानने वाले हैं बेसिकली कि हमारा जो इस साल का 2021 का सेशन 2021 का सिलेबस है 30% रिड्यूस कर दिया गया है। साथ में क्वेश्चन पेपर का जो पैटर्न है वो बदल दिया गया है, बिल्कुल नया पैटर्न है। ये जो क्वेश्चन पेपर होगा आपका 2 पार्ट्स में डिवाइड होगा, पार्ट ए एंड पार्ट बी, जो 40 मार्क्स ईच होगा। टोटल 80 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चन पेपर होते हैं आपके। पार्ट ए में आते हैं। पार्ट ए विल कंप्राइज ऑफ 40 मार्क्स एंड इन पार्ट ए there will be reading comprehension that will give you 20 marks for reading comprehension. And most important, most of the questions will be MCQs. You have to answer these questions choosing options, multiple choice questions. So very easy. Let's see. The very first question you are going to have in your examination, multiple choice questions based on one unseen passage. You will have one unseen passage to assess comprehension, interpretation and inference. Vocabulary and inference of meaning will also be assessed. So you will have passages and then you will have to attempt it. The passage may be factual. What kind of passage may be given? The passage may be factual, descriptive or literary. It can be from any literary part as well. So how will you get your marks? 10 out of 11 questions to be done. How many questions will be there in all? 11, and you will have to attempt 10. 1 mark for each question. So in all 10 marks for 10 questions. 10 into 1, that is 10 marks. And all these questions will be in MCQs format. Next question, that is question number 2. Once again, multiple choice questions based on one unseen, case based. A case study will be given, factual passage from facts with verbal visual inputs like statistical data. In the passage you can find statistical data, charts, newspaper, report, etc. It can be anything with statistical data, charts, newspaper reports. All these things can be given. And here, like the first question, you will have 11 questions. How many? 11 MCQs. And you have to attempt, in all there are 11, you have to attempt 10. Same, 10 into 1, 10 marks. So for reading, you will get 20 questions. In all 22 questions, you will have to attempt 20 questions. I hope this is clear. Note the combined word limit for both the passages will be 700 to 750 words. So in all you will have 2 passages comprising 700 to 750 words. Earlier, a single passage used to be of 750. Now you will have 2 passages of 750, a maximum of 750 words. Next portion in part A, literature, that will give you 20 marks. That will get you 20 marks. Question number 3, we have already discussed 2 questions. Now question number 3. Once again, as I told you, multiple choice questions are there in large number. Plenty of multiple choice questions are there. Multiple choice questions based on 2 prose extracts. So there will be 2 prose extracts, one each from the books Flamingo and Vistas. One from Flamingo, one prose extract from Flamingo, another from Vistas, to assess comprehension and appreciation. It will be just like read and answer with MCQs. Refer to the lines to answer questions. So you have to read those lines properly. You have to recapitulate. You have to remember. You have to recollect your memories, and then you will have to answer. Refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. Any 2 out of 3 extracts to be done. There will be 3 extracts and you will have to attempt any 2. And what is the marks you are going to get? How many numbers you will get? 8. That means 4 into 2. One passage will carry 4 marks. One extract will carry 4 marks. There will be 8 multiple choice questions, 4 from each extract, and in this way you will get 8 marks. Now question number 4. Multiple choice questions based on poetry extract. Till now you have studied about prose extract. Now poetry extract from the book Flamingo to assess comprehension, analysis and inference. Same, refer to the lines to answer questions based on the given extract. Any 1 out of 2 will be given and you will have to attempt any 1. So what is this? 4 into 1, that is 4 marks. Now next comes question number 5. Text based questions to assess comprehension, analysis, inference and interpretation from the books Flamingo and Vistas. 8 out of 10 questions to be done. There will be 10 questions and you will have to attempt 8 questions. Out of those 10 questions you will have to attempt 8 questions, and in this way you will get 8 marks. I hope you understood part A. Let's see part B. What is there in part B? Part 1, MCQs, objective type. Part 2, part B, subjective type. This will also carry 40 marks. What is there? The very first section that we have in part 2, writing section. How many marks? 16 marks. Writing section will carry 16 marks. What will be asked in 16 marks? Let's see. The very first question in part 2, short writing task. What can be asked? Notice or advertisement, and you know very well it is maximum of 50 words. 1 out of 2 given questions. You will have to attempt 1 out of 2 to be answered. And how many marks will you get? 3 marks. How many? 3 marks. And the marks distribution is also given. For format, if your format is correct, 1 mark. For content, 1, and expression, 1. F1, C1, E1. While teaching you notice writing, I have described this. Then next question will be there. Short writing task. Formal or informal invitation. Next question that is going to be asked. formal or informal invitation, and reply up to 50 words. It can be invitation or reply of invitation. One out of the two given questions to be answered. Same format, 3 marks, 1 for format, content 1, expression 1. So basically, the first question in writing will be notice or advertisement. The second one, what? The second one will be invitation, formal or informal. Otherwise, it's reply. Next question, question number 3 in part second. Letters based on verbal or visual input to be answered in approximately 120 to 150 words. Letter types include, what are the letters you have to prepare? Application for a job, basically application for a job, letters to the editor, and what can be asked? Giving suggestions or opinion on issue of, any issue can be public interest. One out of the two given questions to be answered, and here you have to answer one out of two given questions. Two letters will be asked and you will have to answer any one, and for that you will get 5 marks. For format 1, for content 2, expression 2. Next, question number 4 in part second. Article or report writing. Question number 4 will be article or report writing. This can be descriptive and analytical in nature, based on verbal inputs to be answered in 120 to 150 words. One out of the two given questions to be answered. 5 marks. Same format 1, content 2, expression 2. So in all 16 marks for writing. I hope you understood how many marks for writing are there. 16 marks. Next question. Next and last portion of this question paper, literature section. Subjective questions that will carry you 24 marks. Out of 40, 16 has been done. Now 24. Question number 6. 5 short answer type questions out of 6. In all, there will be 6 questions, and you have to attempt 5. From prose and poetry from the book Flamingo to be answered in 30 to 40 words. So these short answer type questions will be asked from book Flamingo. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking, and that will give you 10 marks. Each question will give you 2 marks. Each question will carry 2 marks. Next question, question number 7. In question number 7, 2 short answer type questions out of 3. So here in question number 3, here in question number 7, you will get 3 short answer type question, and you have to attempt any 2. From where? From Vistus, the second book you have, to be answered in 30 to 40 words each. Questions should elicit inferential responses through critical thinking, and here 2 into 2, that will carry you 4 marks. So 10 plus 4, how many? 14. Remaining 10. Question number 8. One long answer type question from prose or poetry Flamingo. In other words, simply you can say one long answer type question from Flamingo and one long answer type question from Vistus, to be answered in 120 to 150 words, and that will give you 5 marks. Any one out of 2 questions. Here you will find options. You will be given 2 and you will have to attempt 1. In the same way from Vistus as well, one long answer type question based on the chapters from the book Vistus to be answered in 120 to 150 words to assess global comprehension and extrapolation beyond the text. Questions to provide evaluative and analytical responses using incidents, events, themes as references. Any one out of two questions to be done. Here as well, you will get two questions and you will have to attempt only one, 5 marks. So in this way I have described you total 80 marks question paper. So be prepared for this new kind of question paper, especially for the session of 2021 with reduced syllabus by 30%. I hope you understood. Thanks for watching.